Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are a coffee lover, then you are looking for the best way to store your fresh coffee beans. I want to show you this amazing canister to do just that. This is the Airscape. This is the medium-sized canister, which holds about a pound of coffee, and this is unlike any other canister you've ever had. So let me show you what makes it so special. First of all, it's a beautiful design. It has a very clean and modern look. It's made out of stainless steel. It has a lid here with a rubber gasket, which helps to keep things fresh, but that is not the main way that this works. So inside, there is this patented valve that helps you to remove the air from the coffee beans by compressing this down on them. So when you pull the handle, you'll hear that you're able to pull that out, and inside is the coffee beans, which are really well preserved. So when you're ready to cover them back up and store them, you put this back on, press it down, and there is a air valve, and you can feel it actually when you're pressing down. The air is escaping, and it's helping to maximize the freshness of your coffee beans. So you just put it down, you can hear the air coming out, and then you pop your lid back on, and you are ready for super fresh coffee beans. So you can use this to store a variety of different things, but we absolutely love using it for coffee. So if you're looking for a better way to store your coffee beans and keep them fresh, I would definitely recommend the Airscape. We absolutely love it. That's my point of view.